Yeah, alright guys, how are you doing? This is DJ Prince himself. Yeah, today on the 26th, we are having a good time at the Bush Farm. Yeah, the Bush Farm is at Ruaka, Limuru Road, opposite Two Rivers Mall, or just after Two Rivers Mall. Yeah. Now I'll be your main man tonight, DJ Princesassyboy. I'll be playing live with DJ Cream de la Cream. The party will be so lit. Now, right about now, I wanna show you this place. I wanna show you Bush Farm, so that you can have a good see of how this place looks, so that next time you don't miss their parties. Now, without wasting time, yeah, let me show you how this place looks like. First of all, the view is from here. You can see the views from here, party people. This place is extremely awesome. Look at the Two Rivers Mall. Wow. Yeah, let's go. You can see the staircase. Another view from here. Two Rivers Mall. Yep. Let's keep going, party people. Let's keep going so that you can see this place. Here it's first tip. Another view from here. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Let's continue going down, going down. Whoa, this place is amazing. Amazing. Amazing, 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 guys. I'm loving everything that I can see right here. Whoa! Whoa! The air is so fresh, guys. So fresh. Very fresh. You can get addicted to this air. Yeah, keep looking, guys. Keep looking. Yeah, so we're getting under this first tent. It's yellow in color. So beautiful. Look at the seats. These seats are marvelous, magical. Look at where you get to place your drink, guys. Sound system so amazing. Whoa, whoa. Let me show you. Guys are coming in. Guys are coming in. It's gonna be a party. It's gonna be a party. Yeah, kumbuka DJ Princesassyboy alongside DJ Cream de la Cream on the 26th Saturday. Saturday experience. Itakuwa crazy. Keep on looking, guys. Keep on. Now here is where the magic is. The fucking river. Yeah. Amazing, amazing. Amazing, amazing view, guys. Guys are coming in, guys are coming in. You can see it. You can see the green tent looks very amazing. The white tent, yellow, and the chair, the river. Oh my God. So many more videos will be coming up, guys. Keep up. Yeah.
easy. Hey. Say cheese, take a picture. Say cheese. I really want to forget the eagle eye. Like the first time we light up, forget me eye. Give me the blind, girl. Yes, man, you is the cool luto. Man, you, I can go so.